Coach, big congratulations for this series win once again. I would just like to ask you a little bit about the youngsters in this side. Now, if we talk about Pant, Sundar, Siraj, Akshar, tell us the difference between you being a youngster in your side in your time and them being youngsters right now. And secondly, what did you tell Rishabh Pant after the IPL when he was completely written off for more for his attitude than what he brought on the table to herald this kind of a transformation?
I think this is an excellent question because I can relate to it. Because at 21, 22, 23, I had similar success. I had hundreds overseas, so I can relate to what these guys have done. I think one quality that comes is you can never mistake or take away the exuberance of youth or the fearlessness. When you're young, when you don't carry baggage, you're not afraid. It's only when the baggage comes in, when you become known quantity and the pressures from the outside come in that you have to perform all the time, that's when life starts. As it started with Rishabh Pant on this trip. Let me address him first. Yes, after the IPL he came with a lot of baggage. It showed in his size. And he had to lose that baggage, which he did. And he worked his backside off to lose it. And I tell you, he has trained harder than anyone in the last 2 months. And the results are not just for him to see, it's for the world to see. When you have a naturally brilliant match winner of his ability, playing to potential, it's no greater sight in cricket. I think in the last 2 months, what he's done to win matches for India, there'll be players who won't do it in a lifetime and would have never done it in a lifetime. Now, at the age of 21, to pull off magic like he's done, after working as hard as he has, to then show in his wicket keeping, like yesterday, I think his keeping was outstanding on that wicket. So when you add the runs, the match-winning efforts, and the keeping improving, and the hard work he's put in, because like I mentioned yesterday, he was told in no uncertain terms that this game demands respect, and you've got to respect the game a little, much more than what you do, and which he did, which he addressed, and he's reaping the rewards, what he's getting now. Outstanding, simply outstanding. Washington Sundar, if I have to say, unbelievable composure and temperament. I mean, for someone who, yes, at under 19 age, he was an opening batsman. But to see that kind of body language and unfazed by the best bowlers in the world in the toughest situations, as in Brisbane, as in Chennai, was unreal, because this was an even better innings, I would say, than Brisbane, because you are playing at home, you have a world championship on the line, you're 50 adrift from the opposition, you're batting with Pant, you've got Akshar coming in next who can bat, but your objective is to get closer to 205. But these youngsters are not thinking in that fashion. They're playing normal cricket, they're playing fearless cricket, next who can bat, but your objective is to get closer to 205. But these youngsters are not thinking in that fashion. They're playing normal cricket, they're playing fearless cricket, and they're playing free cricket. And you then go on to get 360. Akshar Patel, seasoned campaigner. I wouldn't call him a youngster. He's been around the Indian team for years. He's been very unlucky with injuries. A lot of other players have got opportunities because of his injuries, including the likes of Jadeja, including the likes of Krunal Pandya, because he's been injured. So this is the time when he was injury-free and he made the most of it. But try and think, India playing in India without a Jadeja. He's one of the best all-rounders in the world. He is arguably the best all-rounder in the world. He didn't play. Someone else grabbed an opportunity. Now when he comes in and the three play together, there'll be some fun, in India especially.
Yeah. Hi, Ravi. Yes.